So when you say that everything is possible, everything is possible. Look at the robot. Look at what the robot is doing. 5,500, 5,500, 6,000, 6,000, 6,000. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. What the robot is doing, the NAS robot is doing wonders here on Nasdaq. NAS robot is doing wonders here on Nasdaq. I just want to show you the performance of my students as well. What my students are doing as well. Look at that. 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 So just want to show you guys that you stop wasting your time. Stop wasting your time here. It's not only me who's sharing the money. Look at that, 5,000 made by the students. The robot is doing great, guys. The robot is doing great, and the signals are good. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Let's go to my account. It's live, running 7,000. Look at that. Students saying, guys, today we've killed NAS. Look at that. It's great, guys. It's great, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Going to 8,000. Going to 8,000. Let's go back to the group. Let's go back to the group. Students making 20,000. Look at that. 20,000. So proud of these guys. So proud. So when I say get the robot, I mean it. When I say join my signals, I mean it. I'm not joking here. I'm not joking here. Look at that. Loading. Results loading. Results loading. Results are loading. Look at that. Students killed. Killed. This one got a trade together with me. They got a trade together with me. Look at that. Look at that. Students account. Students account. Students account. 3,800. 3,800 US dollars. That is students account. Students account. So what more do you have to say? What more do you have to say? All my students are happy. All my students are happy. Yeah. You see? Look at that. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. So yeah, guys, it's all good. It's all good. My students are happy. The robot is doing wonders. The signals are great. Remember, if you want the robot, it's only 750 rands for this December. 750 rands for this December. If you are from international, you get it for $50. $50. So if you want to join the group, you pay 350 rands. If you want to join the group and you are from international, $25. 350 rands, $25. My students are doing great, guys. My students are doing great. Look at that. Look at that. I just want to show you guys I'm cruising. I'm cruising. I've never seen any loss here. I've never seen any loss. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Students results, guys. Students results. Look at that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Join the group. 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 Here's 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 the group. Forex Champions VVIP community. Forex Champions VVIP community. It's all doing great. Look at the analysis of my students. They are great, guys. They are great, guys. Join the right community. Join the right community. Look at that. It's about to take profit from my students. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Look at that. Profits made. Profits made. NAS. Look at that. The analysis that I posted in the group. This was a signal that I sent in the morning. And they chowed. They chowed. My students are eating. My students are eating. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Look at that. Signal was sent. Signal was sent. Signal was sent. So what more do you want? What more do you want? What more do you want? Look at that. Students are making a lot of money here. Students are making a lot of money. Look at this. 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 They just post now. They're eating together with me here. They're eating together with me. Oh shit! Oh shit! Definitely. Look at that. Look at that. 20,000 running. 20,000 running, guys. Look at that. Look at the fall there. Look at the fall there. I was surprised. Why is my group so much posting results there, guys? Oh yo. Let's read this message. Let's read this message. Yes, thanks. Okay, let's go for it. Let's go for it. We're opening it. We're opening it. What are they saying? Yes, thanks. They are 7 trillion out there, enough for a billion South Africans, even if we make doom a bloom each. Remember that. Thanks again, guys. Million each. Guys, the guys are doing great in the group. So join the group, 350 rands. Buy the robot for 750 rands. Guys, we're killing it. We're killing it. Get my number here on the screen. Get my number here on the screen. Get my number here on the screen. We're killing it, guys. We're killing it, guys. The group is doing wonders here. Yeah, the group is doing wonders. Cheers. Take care, guys. Peace.